Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add apps in desktop on Windows 11. So adding the apps in desktop is actually very simple. Right now I'm using Windows 10, but the process is similar for Windows 11 too. So what you have to do is click on the start icon that you'll be able to see at the taskbar at bottom. Now over here you'll be able to see all the applications. If you scroll down you'll be able to find all the applications over here. So what you have to do is identify the application that you want to add to desktop. For example, I want to add this line application to desktop. So for that what you have to do is click and hold on the line application. Now you can see over here you'll be able to move this application like this. Simply go to the desired location in desktop and release it. Now you can see over here this application will be added to the desktop. So like this you'll be able to add the apps in desktop. So that is how you add apps in desktop in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.